What's up, guys? This is Steve from Santec IT Solutions. This is part 2 of my bare bones kit video series, and in this video I'll be doing a review of the Cougar Solution case unit. The Cougar Solution is a middle tower type case unit. It has room for up to 3 5¼ inch ODDs and room for up to 7 3½ inch HDDs. This case unit supports both ATX and micro ATX motherboards. There are 7 ventilated expansion slots, support for water cooling solutions, and room for up to 8 case fans, including the power supply. But my favorite feature by far about this case unit is its simplicity. In the front, all you have is just a USB 2.0 port and a USB 3.0 port, a microphone jack, and headphone jack. The front panel comes off very easily. You simply pull from the bottom and it pops right out. Just be careful because the cables are still connected to the front panel. Looking inside, you can see there's room for 2 120mm fans. You also can put a single 140mm fan here. The front panel also has these air filters to keep dust and debris out of your case unit. Another cool feature about this case are the screwless mechanisms for your devices. This makes installation and swapping out of your devices very simple and quick and easy. Another neat feature is this motherboard foothold, which makes for a very easy installation of any motherboard. In the back we can see the ventilated expansion slots and the holes for the water cooling system. Here we have up to 7 expansion slots. Here's our water cooling holes. On the side you can see there's a bay for routing your cables. This makes for easy cable management. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.